Hello. Today we have seen Hello World program into Python and also just touched on the single line comments and double line comments. That means multi-line comments. Okay. Now go a little more in depth of just print command. What actually we can use with more with a print. I'm just trying to create a new file. Print for print exercises. The extension should be always .py. py. Okay. Now let's say I'm trying to print. What is normal way of printing? Let's say for example I am printing just apple. This is how generally it works, right? Python and it is just printing by apple. Now let's say I want to print values comma separated. Let's say for example apple banana. Okay, I want to print apple and banana. I am trying to do is just printing apple comma banana. Now I am printing apple comma banana. So this is how. That means we are passing two values for it. Let we will try to take one more example. So that print. I'm trying to print numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and say 10. Okay, now I'm trying to print 10 integers actually. We are printing 10 integers. There is something went wrong. 9 comma 10. Okay, so with the 10 integers, now I want to print instead of space. See, for example, though we are given comma here, those are different values. So, for actually design, trying to give this space in between. I can change the space. It's called a separator actually. So we can change the separator is equal to, let's say for example you want to give more space. Let's say for example more space. We're giving more space. Okay, print more space. For example, I want to give. I will take some more print statement. Let's say I want to print the even numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8, 7, 10. Okay, for this one I want to use equal to separator is equal to, let's say, pipe. Okay, so I'm trying to print the even numbers of the separator as a pipe. Okay, now you can see that 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 are separated with a pipe. Okay, now let's say you can use anything. For example, print I am trying to give the odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay, separator is equal to what you can give. Let's say a dash, like a hyphen. Okay, now I am trying to print odd numbers with a different separator. There's a dash. Okay, now one more thing you can see is one more operator that we can come with a print is end. So here I want to print even numbers and then followed by odd numbers, right? So by default it is printing everything in a new line. Let's say I want to continue with the same line. Okay, let's say end. By default end is a slash n. That means new line character. I can give, okay, as a, let's say, star asterisk. Now what actually happens, let's see is, so the line number 2 whatever actually I have given line even numbers and then odd numbers. Okay, in previous example actually it has printed in a slash n like a separate line. Now by given that end as something, then it is actually making use that slash n with the replacement of the asterisk. Okay, for understanding purpose I can give some space here so there's more readable in the console. Okay, so like this we can use the set and end operators. Okay, and options in the print command. That's one thing. So now finally what actually we have seen here in this video is so we have used actually we used print uh, with single line comment, print with options. Okay, now so now it is actually, let's say for example for completion I want to use that print a single line option and print multiple, like apple comma banana, apple comma banana, and then so here what actually is print with single parameter, print with multiple parameters, print with multiple parameters. Okay, then print with separator, print with separator. I think you are following me. And then print with uh, end option. Okay, so like this we have used the print command, print with options. Okay, with this we will done with the print, and next video we will check with some inputs. Okay, input, how to take the input from the console. One next video also.